because it had to be perfect. We couldn't touch this icon and not make it exactly what it needed to be.
Both cameras rolling.
I'm Jim Harrison. I'm an executive fellow here for the Bobbi Brown Laboratories. I've been working here for 32 years. I was here when it was first formulated. Originally, there was a prototype that was something that was really beloved in terms of some of its performance characteristics. So we were given that as a shot. Let's try to make this product. And through the process of the formulation, there was some really wonderful serendipity that happened. So we ended up with attributes in a product that we didn't expect. So we kind of got to a spot and we said, this is it. When the artists were using it, we kept getting great feedback saying that makeup wears beautifully over this product. And it really wasn't one of our initial goals. So of course we deconstructed that and said, well, how do we increase this capacity? How do we up the priming effect? The daunting task of having to plus this icon was quite a challenge for myself, for the team. We tapped into what the consumers were vibing about in terms of the elements that were really beloved to them. Those were our kind of guiding stars. We had to make sure that those ones were in line. So the genesis of Plus really was the need to change out some of the ingredients. Again, we use so many high quality ingredients. SuperVitamin Blend is a combination of some really, really powerful vitamins. They're not in there for namesake or just to be on the label. They all have activity. The levels have all been vetted out. And then ultimately they're looked at by the consumers in our consumer studies. So we know that they're doing exactly what they need to do.
Looks beautiful.
I mean, the iconic fragrance couldn't be changed. The grapefruit has such a great lift. It just comes up and envelops you. It's just beautiful and it's energizing. It's our #1 icon for a reason. It's an all-in-one. Barrier repair, we have hydration, we have radiance. It's got all of your goodies and your priming benefits. It's a great product. There was a lot of give and take to get to where we ended up. Many hours, many batches, a lot of research.
Did it work?
It absolutely did. Yeah, we nailed it.